Hey, so like every other iPhone launch, we of course get new accessories from Apple. We got the silicone and the leather cases in all the colors. So let's find out what color combos work and which are just straight up no good. So it's to be expected with every new iPhone launch, we're gonna always see silicone and leather cases in new colors, but this year Apple's released 3 additional accessories. Finally we got a clear case, and then there's also a leather sleeve and the leather wallet with MagSafe. Didn't pick up the leather sleeve or leather wallets, but we're gonna just call it the Mag Wallet to be short. So what also happened is Apple dropped an iPhone 12 Studio. For the first time, you can pick out any of the new iPhone 12 colors and format any accessory to that phone and kind of just get an instant visualization of what the color combo is looking like and if it's something you're gonna wanna pick up. In this one, we're gonna be checking out all the silicone and leather case colors and really just putting them on a 12 Pro in gold and a 12 in blue and just seeing what color combos are there. Let me know in the comments if you guys have picked up any iPhone 12s or any iPhone 12 accessories, because it's been harder than ever to choose which is which. And of course, these are really expensive. There's 8 total silicone colors and 5 leather colors to pick from. So let's jump on into it. We got silicone cases here, and we're just gonna go one by one. So checking out this white case. Let's see what this one looks like. Actually, we're gonna get all the cases unboxed first, just so it's easier. Then we're gonna do a massive try on. Here are all the iPhone 12 case colors. Now, one thing to note is with the leather cases, Apple has actually issued a warning. Now, that's only if you're gonna be using a MagSafe charger. They're saying that the MagSafe will over time cause an imprint, circular imprint, on all the leather cases. And I assume that'll be for just other leather accessories for the 12s. But if you get a silicone, maybe it won't wear. I'm thinking it's gonna wear over time. There's just no way friction's gonna let up. But now let's actually do a little bit of trying on. It's iPhone Fashion Week, and there's 4 iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max colors to choose from, and 5 12 and 12 mini colors to choose from. So here we go. Let's check out this pink citrus one. I did pick up a pink citrus one, and I did pick up a kumquat at launch. Looks great. I'll tell you when it doesn't look great. I'm waiting to see. Blue on blue, deep navy with Pacific. Nice Atlantic combo. Let's give the 12 Pro in plum a try. I dig. That gold on purple. Kumquat on blue. I'm just used to this. This is what I had rocking since launch. It's fire. It's Chicago colors. Let's go with the white one now. See how this one looks. See, all right. I'm worried, and I've always been worried about the silicone cases because after about 2 weeks, this like texture, if you know, wears off. And then it starts to become almost a little sticky. Moisture with these silicone cases will wear them, so keep that in mind. Not a fan of the white one. It would take someone with a real aesthetic to pick up the white one. Let's check out this Cypress green, baby. That's hot. Blue on black. Yeah, the blue on black. Black and blue, baby. Ooh, that red on blue. Now let's check out the leather cases. I have not picked up one of these yet. But best to be oh so delicate. Yeah. Gold on California Poppy? No. Yeah, we're gonna swap it out for the blue. We're going for the blue 12. Here we go. Oh, California Poppy is right in the middle between an orange and a yellow. And I'm sold. Now, one thing is you can also attach any of the Mag wallets to just the iPhone 12s or the iPhone 12 cases, so everything is compatible. Nice oatmeal. Ooh, love this. Saddle brown, always a tried and true. And the leather cases will wear over time, so if that's something you do like, a nice worn leather look, could be for you. Blue on blue, Nah, we can't be doing blue on blue. No, no way. Let me know in the comments if you picked up an iPhone 12 and aren't rocking a case on it, because ceramic shield is something to keep in mind. I mean, it's 4 times less likely to crack when dropped, but I feel like if you're getting a 12 Pro Max, you kind of are nearing case territory, unless you can really take those basketball hands and just protect the phone at all costs. Gold on blue really just kind of makes it look like a white iPhone. And then last but not least, on the leather cases, we got gold on black. Also a color combo for the year. Now, whew, what you've been waiting for, the clear case. I don't understand this. I don't get it at all. If you want a case that tells everyone, no, it's not an 11. No, it's not an 11 Pro. It's an iPhone 12. This is what you get. You can see magnetic ring all around from anywhere you look, and it's all right, but the buttons are so firm. It's kind of hard to press them. Like, you really gotta dig your finger in to just power on, power off. Volume buttons are, yeah, they're a little less resistant, but this material on the clear case it's meant to take a beating, but what it's not meant is to be removed. I guess that's why it's meant to take a beating. I just don't for $50 see this being the clear case to go for. I'll leave a link down below to one I found on Amazon for 10 bucks. There are some coupons, but that's the clear case I'd choose. Now, as I said earlier, Apple did post a warning. If you are picking up a leather case and you are grabbing the MagSafe charger, wear and tear will just happen through time. Friction, it's one you can't avoid. But I'm gonna do a quick demo, and I know it won't show wear after one charge, but all right, MagSafe animation. We're now charging. If you want to pick up one of the MagSafe bricks that isn't overpriced, I'll leave a link down below. Now, if I'm to pick one silicone and one leather case to go with, I'm going with the Kumquat silicone and then the California Poppy leather. In the overhead, I think the Poppy's turning out more orange than it actually is. It's right in the middle between a yellow and an orange. The Kumquat just looks like a pastel orange, but both are me. One other thing to note is the mag wallets affix to obviously any of the iPhone 12s, but if you do pick up a leather case and you also have one of the mag wallets too, even if you're not going to be MagSafe charging, you have to remove it on and off. It's magnetic, but I refuse to believe that won't also wear the leather down, because friction is friction and it's going to catch up to you eventually. But that's leather. It grows as you grow. All right, so that's it for this one. If you guys are new, make sure you get subscribed. If you enjoyed, drop a like too. Otherwise, I'll see you.